Ever wondered how to blur a specific part of your video in CapCut, like hiding a face, a logo, or private information? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to blur any part of your video in CapCut using masks and keyframes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit into your timeline. Click the video clip in the timeline to select it. Next, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the clip. Then press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste it. This will create a duplicate video layer on top of the original clip. The reason we duplicate the clip is because the blur effect will be applied only to the top layer, while the bottom layer stays normal. Now select the top video layer. Go to the Effects section at the top of the screen and search for blur. Choose any blur effect you like. Once you find the blur you want to use, drag the effect onto the top video layer. At this point, the entire video will appear blurred. So the next step is to limit the blur to a specific area. With the top clip still selected, go to the video settings on the upper right panel, then click Mask. Choose the mask shape you wanted to use, such as a circle, rectangle, or another shape, depending on the object you want to blur. After selecting the mask, resize and position it so it covers the area you want to hide. Now, if the area or object you're blurring is moving, we need to use keyframes so the blur follows it. To do this, look for the diamond-shaped keyframe icon next to the mask controls in the right panel. Click that icon to add your first keyframe at the starting position. Next, I am going to move the timeline forward to where the butterfly moves. Then adjust the mask position so it stays on top of the butterfly. CapCut will automatically create another keyframe and animate the movement between them. Repeat this process as needed by moving the timeline and adjusting the mask so the blur continues to follow the moving object. Once everything looks good, preview your video to make sure the blur stays in the right place throughout the clip. And that's how you blur any part of your video in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.